Hi guys, welcome back to a new how-to in 10. Today in the kitchen, in the kitchen with the husband.
We used to do this quite a bit back in the day.
Yeah, I know we did, and now you've joined me. And
well, you've joined me in my kitchen.
Hey, I've been doing most of the cooking recently, let's just be honest about it.
Crumpets don't count as cooking.
Anyway, I thought today could be a bit more of a hands-on how-to in 10. We're going to make some pasta, and actually it's the first time we've ever done it. I thought it would be a bit more interesting than us just being perfectos at it.
Yeah, so you can watch us make the mistakes so you don't make them.
Yeah, but in honesty, from what I've kind of seen and been told, it's extremely simple. It's just about making sure you've got the right ingredients or equipment. So what we're going to do is show you two different ways to do it. One with a super fancy pasta machine.
I love this thing.
And it's cool, isn't it? And then also Alex is going to do it the
El Clasico way.
El Clasico Tradizione way with a knife and cutting out his own pasta. So I thought we'd bring you along and show you how to make pasta. So what you're going to need is this flour. This is Typo or Tipo, maybe Typo 00 flour. Now I looked everywhere for this and I finally found some on Amazon back in stock, not with £30 delivery from Italy. So I'll leave it linked down below. I'll leave all these things below for you in case you want to join us and make some pasta. But pretty much you just need some Tipo 00 flour and some good old water.
Is that it?
That's it.
That's all you need?
That's all you need.
Okay. I thought there'd be like eggs and all sorts of stuff involved.
Well, I did too. Maybe that's if you're making more like egg pasta. Maybe that is something different. Maybe we can try that next time. But for just normal, traditional easy peasy pasta, it's that and your hands.
Sounds good. Great.
Okay, let's go wash our hands. This is a 1,000 gram bag, a kilogram bag. Apparently half a kilogram with, I've seen one recipe that's got like eggs in it and water will make 6 people's worth. Shall we do like a third of a bag, so 300 grams, and work out the water?
Yeah, okay.
Do you reckon? Should we do that? Because we don't make that much pasta, do we? We don't.
I eat pasta every single day.
We don't want 6 people's worth of pasta.
Do we not?
I reckon if we do this in cups, that might be simpler, mightn't it?
We're doing it all in here?
Yeah. So, right. 1 cup of Tipo 00. Do you reckon we do more or less? Let's do 1.5 cups. Right, let's do that. I reckon that's probably about 300 grams. 1.5 cups. Half a tablespoon. Let's do 1 table.
What am I doing? Just...
You just mixy it with your hands.
Okay. That feels like you've just splashed a bit of water into the desert.
Okay, that's okay.
It's instantly gone and done nothing.
So that's another half. You've got to get it so it kind of forms into a bit of a dough. So 3
More
tablespoons.
More
3.5 4
More
5 5.5 6. Try that. 6.5.
Is that better?
Oh, it looks so fun. Oh, that's looking like it's getting really good now.
Yeah, so how many?
6.5. Should I write this down? Oh no, it's on camera. Okay, well, when it's all together, is it still sticky?
Yeah.
A little sticky, but not too sticky.
It's quite sticky.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Is that good?
That looks pretty good to me because you don't want it to be like all over your fingers. So we'll just put a bit of flour down. Not doing this kind of thing since I used to make bread, I used to make cakes all the time.
I don't think I've ever done this.
Okay, so you get it out of there now. You're gonna roll it on here instead, so you can I knead it now?
You can.
Okay, so nice. It's like Play-Doh. Ooh. Okay, good work, babe. Okay, should we get rid of this in the bowl?
We don't know with
I'll
these.
clean up with them. Right, now that we've got our dough all formed, you want it to be all together like this, but with a little bit of a stickiness, but not too sticky that it's literally coming off your hands like Play-Doh. And then down onto your surface. Now what I want to do is, give me that knife please. Yeah, point the camera down. Right, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give you half and I'm going to keep half.
You gave me the smaller bit.
Did I?
I see
No,
that.
they were the same size.
Okay.
Right, so
I need flour here, don't I?
I need my guy. Take some Tipo. Don't put too much flour down yet. What I would maybe do is don't, because I've just floured it, don't put any flour down. I'd go onto flat surface, no flour, and take your rolling pin. So this one is so cute. It says Inthefrow in the kitchen. I can't remember who made this for me, but that's so adorable. So yeah, you can get rolling with it.
Yeah, I've never done this.
Me neither. This is well fun. I'm excited.
We get good at making pasta. I'm going to be doing it all the time.
Yeah. Yes, please.
There's probably somebody shouting at me now for not rolling correctly.
Obviously, you want to roll it to how thin or thick you imagine. We're going to make fettuccine today, like the thick, more noodly style pasta. So you've got to imagine how thick you usually eat your Italian pasta when you have it, and that's starting to look pretty good. I'd say even a tiny bit thinner even. That's looking good.
I think I've done a pretty good job here.
Isn't that amazing? Just flour and water makes it do that. Okay, right, so what are you going to do?
I'm going to now roll it, but not tightly roll it.
It's into 2-inch sections.
Is that what it is? Okay.
Pretty much.
So just kind of lift it and then drop it.
I'd do it thicker than that.
What, like?
Like that, yeah. And then roll it again. Yeah, like that.
Yeah, so you kind of just letting it fall on itself. I probably could have done with a little bit more flour on the work surface, but yeah, you just keep it really loose.
This would be such a lovely thing to do if we had kids.
It'd be amazing.
Or for anyone that has kids.
I think anybody right now, like if you're bored at home and trying to think of things to do,
yeah,
you don't have to go out and buy all the machines and stuff.
No?
Well, you might have to because Vic's might end up being better than mine, but
but again, I just got this on Amazon.
So now once I've done that, I then take my knife. You're worried now, aren't you? Take my knife and say like 1 centimetre or ½ centimetre thickness,
yeah.
and I'm going to chop all the way up. Like so.
I'm gonna now work out in here.
Just check that it's okay. And then what I'm going to do is...
Also, I'm going to put mine through the machine. I'm making mine too fat now. Okay, I might have to just put that like that and roll it again.
So I'm just going to flour over the top of it again, and then hopefully...
Oh yeah, well, that's coming apart. It's coming apart. You've got to get in there with you. Oh yeah, maybe press... Did you press it down?
No. The weight of it fell on itself. I think personally with this now, I think if I'd used more flour it wouldn't have stuck together so much, but the weight of it is basically falling in on itself.
To be fair though, if you just spend a second to unwrap them all...
But there you go. I mean, it still works.
Just use a bit more flour, and what you should be able to do is literally...
Some of them come across really easy.
You just can get your hands in and you can like break it all up. Kind of pretty much all the way up the size of the island.
Told you yours was bigger. Hi-oh!
No, because yours was fatter. I've made mine thin so it'll go through the machine.
Do you want to switch?
Oh gosh, no! I don't want you to take any credit for my pasta.
To be fair, I don't want to take credit for my amazing pasta. Probably know mine's going to be better.
God, we're so competitive.
No, I just play up to your competitiveness.
Okay, I'm going to try out my machine. With this machine, it does come with a clamp, and you're meant to clamp it to your worktop. However, the clamp isn't big enough. Our worktop is 60 millimeters thick, 6 centimeters thick. Clamp doesn't quite fit. So I might have to just get Alex to stand here whilst I grind this bad boy through.
I don't think you realise what you're saying today.
I don't. I've already had Rebecca saying, are you drunk? No, absolutely not today.
You're like Tobias in Arrested Development.
I'm afraid I just blew myself.
Oh my goodness, come on. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, okay, you might have to help me with this, babe. Would you mind
So now you want my help?
Yeah, sorry. Oh, I need you to kind of come hold my pasta like this whilst I grind it through. It might be quite long. Do you reckon I'll cut this in half? All right, I'm going to have to cut this a little bit thinner here. Okay, right, that's a good piece now. Right, so.
What am I doing? Am I turning it or?
Okay, yeah, you turn it. Oh my gosh, is it coming out?
You just dropped it.
Yeah, I just
Don't
dropped
drop it.
Sorry, get excited. One sec. I need to be able to get the other side. Okay, one sec. Slow it down. Don't be sacrificing and sabotaging my pasta. I see.
It already looks way better than mine.
Oh my god, look how great this is! Whoa.
I'm impressed with that.
We set this up earlier because
I didn't think we'd need it.
we thought we might need this. Right, great. We have cleaned this, by the way. I cleaned it in anticipation. This is hilarious.
For how easy this
That's
is.
awesome. Right, we're making our own pasta forever in future because this is so much fun. And look how easy it was. And look how much more I can make.
I can't wait to figure out how much is like a perfect portion for us.
Hang up your pasta on your washing up line or anywhere else.
You're trying to be one of those cheesy American adverts.
Yeah.
Hi there, Billy Mays here with another fantastic product.
Hi, Billy Mays here.
Say that though, you did buy the sticky buddy.
Oh my gosh, and it's fantastic.
Good.
Yeah. You get all your lint off and then you just wash it under a tap and then you're good to go again.
Just rinse it off for a nice beverage.
That looks so good.
It just needs more flour.
I'm thrilled to bits with this. Well, we've learned that from yours too, haven't we?
Yeah. I just expected more from you.
Shut up. I reckon this.
Don't you start disguising my great pieces of pasta with yours.
Oh gosh, I just realised. Oh no, let's not do. I feel bad. Let's not competition it because mine just looks so fantastic.
Competition it?
Look how perfect mine look.
Some of mine are so bad.
No, but yours are rustic and authentic. Is it coming out?
Yeah, keep going. This is better now you've put more flour in it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy. We need to make ravioli next, babe. Got a pan on the hob. We're gonna put a bit of salt in the water. And then we're just gonna boil them.
And hopefully they taste good.
And see how they go. I bet it won't take very long either to boil them through.
A few minutes. Mine might take a little bit longer, they're a bit fatter than yours, but
Yeah.
we'll do yours first.
Right, shall I just do a few of yours, a few of mine? See how we go?
Yeah, bang them in.
Yeah. Should we just do these for now, just we've got enough for a taste test, and then maybe we could leave those there, because we could have this as like a little early dinner, and then have those as a late dinner.
Sounds good.
Should we put something on them? Like some pesto, let's put some pesto with it. Look at those. A little bit longer. Not too much pesto. I find pesto a little bit overbearing sometimes.
Oh, I don't. I love it.
Just like a little bit of a flavouring. Some pine nuts, bee pep. Ooh, should we put some chilli in too?
Oh yeah. Okay, so this is what we've got in the end. I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah, it looks great to me.
I really hope it tastes good
It
because
looks
I want to
really
do this a lot.
fresh. Yeah, me too.
Alright, you ready? Taste test.
I'm gonna have one of yours here. This is one of your thick.
Enjoy it. I'm gonna have one of your things.
Okay, one sec. I can't get all this.
Bear in mind they do kind of expand when you're cooking them as well.
Yeah, look how big. This is literally like an udon flat noodle. Mmm.
I think my pieces are a little bit too fat. I think yours are perfect. I would definitely recommend if you're doing it the old school way, rolling it out. Get it thinner than.
Roll it a lot thinner.
Yeah, and make it probably about 1/2 centimetre thick.
Yeah.
But as far as that goes, I mean, I think that tastes.
Do you think my pieces are good though? Because then we know then that if we like this machine, we'll just use it.
I think the machine's brilliant. Yeah.
I do too. I got it because I knew we'd want to do it loads, so I thought it was quite worth it because we use it a lot.
I can't wait to actually cook like meatballs and ragu and stuff like that and actually make everything from scratch. Be great for having people over as well.
Do you want to go? Maybe next time we can also use these and put crab in them. Crab and pine nuts and do our own crab tortilla with garlic butter.
That'd be good. There you go.
So this was a success, guys, to be honest. And we've also worked out a few little things to do differently and to do better. And in a way, I feel that could be better for you guys because then you'll know not to make some of the mistakes that we might have made in terms of the thickness of it and whatnot.
Yeah.
Well, that's good. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it and I hope you've learned something from this today, guys. I'll leave everything down below of...
How perfect that one is. That's yours.
Oh yeah. Of all the equipment and whatnot and the flour. But please do try this out and let me know if you do. And yeah, we'll see you soon.